Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2011 Chevy Impala LT, stock number Z7527X. 103,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Gold mist metallic in color. This Impala seat 6, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Spacious trunk, one of the largest in its class. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, as you can see. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, large, easy to read gauges, temperature and compass display in the dash, tilt wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices, dual zone temperature control, storage in the armrest, otherwise up and out of the way for a middle passenger, and a spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.5 liter V6, 211 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a large car. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Impala, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.